Girls, see exercise 3.17, fourth sum I am going to teach. Here if A is equal to the first row 5, 4, 3, the second row 1, minus 7, 9, third row 3, 8, 2. Here to find the transpose of A, already transpose of matrix I said no girls, the rows and the columns should be interchangeable. Here how many rows are there? 3 rows and 3 columns. Here how many rows? 1 rows, 2 rows, 3 rows. The same like here for 3 columns. Now you have to interchange the rows and columns. This is called the A transpose, A power T. Okay. Now what is the first row? 5, 4, 3. It should be changed as a column. Okay. The next second row 1, minus 7, 9. It should be changed as a column. 1, minus 7, 9. Then third row 3, 8, 2. It should be changed in a column 3, 8, 2. Have you all understand? This is called A transpose. Rows and columns should be interchanged. This is the answer for fourth sum. Okay, see the fifth sum. If A is equal to, here what is the order girls? Root 7 minus 3, root 5, 2, root 3 minus 5. Here how many rows? The order is row into column. How many rows? 3 rows and 2 columns. Okay girls, the question is then find the transpose of negative A, minus A. Minus A order transpose. Okay, how do you find out? First we want to find out negative A or minus of A. How do you change the minus of A? Already I said in the last video, what are the elements they given? Positive, it should be changed to the negative. Okay, root 7, negative root 7. Then negative root 3, it should be positive. Okay, the interchange the symbol alone. Okay girls, root 5. Here minus 2. Here minus root 3. Then minus 5 should be changed into plus 5. Have you all understand? This is the negative matrix. Negative matrix means the given matrix, the symbol should be changed. The positive should be changed into the negative. Negative should be changed into the positive. Then afterwards they asked transpose. Transpose means already said in the last sum. What is the rows and columns? 3 and 2. Here the 3 and 3 2s are 6 novels. The same, you have to interchange the column and the row. So 2 rows and 3 columns. It should be changed. This is the column. It should be changed as a row. Root 7, root 5 minus root 3. Okay. The next second column should be changed as a row. Okay. 3 minus 2, 5. Here how many rows? 2 rows and 3 columns. Have you all understand? This is the A given. First we want to find out the negative matrix. Afterwards you have to transpose. Transpose interchange the rows and columns. Have you all understand? Yes. See the next sum. See girls, seventh sum. Find the value of x, y and z from the following equation. The 3 sums are given. So let us see one by one. So first one, 12, 3. Then here x minus 3 by 2. This is the left hand side matrix. Then the right hand side y is at 3, 5. This is called equal matrix. Okay girls, if the equal matrix means you have to equate the elements, corresponding elements. The first element is equal to first element. In the left hand side first element what? Here 12. So the right hand side first element is y. So y is equal to 12. Okay girls. Then here the second element, left hand side second element is 3. The right hand side second element is z. So the z value is 3. Then the same here what? X is equal to 3. Okay. Here the given matrix is equal matrix. So we have to equate the corresponding elements we get. We get x and y. Here the answer is question is wrong. Here 5 means here also 5. Or here 3 by 2 means here also 3 by 2. The question book itself you have to change. Okay, anyone you have to change. This is the value x and y. Then z. This is the conclusion girls. Y is equal to 12. Z is equal to 3. Okay. Here we have to write the given matrix is equal matrix, so that we have to equate the corresponding elements. We get x and y z. Okay. See the next one. See girls, the second one we have to see the given matrix is x plus y 2, 5 plus z x y. Here also 2 cross 2 matrix. Here also 2 cross 2 matrix. If you want to equate, the rows and columns should be equal. Then only we should be equating. Equating the corresponding elements we get. Now the first element and the first element. What is the first element? Here the left hand side x plus y, the right hand side is 6. Okay. Then next, here 2 is 2. Okay. Next, second row first element. What is the second row first element? 5 plus z is equal to 5. Here you have to equating the second row first element. Here also second row first element. Then next they given last element xy is equal to 8. Now we want to find out if you add x plus y you will get 6. So here z is equal to what they given girls? 5 minus 5. The answer is z is equal to 0. Now xy, if you add you will get 6. The same number xy if you multiply you will get another 8. But what is the answer girls? Can you guess? Yes, you have to write it 2 into 4, 8 or otherwise 4 into 2, 8. If you add 2 plus 4, if you add you will get 6. They madri 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. So, if you take x is equal to 2 means then y is equal to 4. Okay. If you take x is equal to 4 means then y is equal to 2. This is the answer. The seventh one, third sum, x plus y first element, here second element x plus z, the third one is y plus z. Here the left hand side order is 1, 2, 3. Okay, 3 rows. This is called only one column because of addition. Okay girls, the same like here also 3 rows, 1 column. Here if you want to equate, you will get the answers from x, y, z. Okay, now equating the corresponding elements. We get. So first element, what is the first element? X plus y plus z is equal to 9. This is considered as equation number 1. Then x plus z is equal to 5. This is considered as equation number 2. The last y plus z is equal to 7. Okay, this is considered as equation number 3. Now I am taking second equation and the third equation. You get x and y. Okay girls, from 2 and 3. 2 and 3, what is the equation? X plus 0y plus z is equal to 5. This is called the second equation. Then third equation 0x plus y plus z is equal to 7. This is called the third equation. The missing term I put 0 girls. Now I am going to eliminate here minus, here minus, here minus. So the z should be cancelled. So the remaining is x. Here x plus 0 x. Then 0 plus y minus y is equal to, now if you subtract you will get 2. This is considered as equation number 4. Okay. Now I am going to take the first and the fourth equation. Now take 1 and 2. 1 and 4. Okay. Now the x minus y they given us minus 2. Okay, here x plus y plus z is equal to what? 9. Then the last equation, fourth equation, x minus y. So z is not there. So I put 0 for z. So minus 2. Now I am going to cancel y. Now x plus x what? 2x plus z is equal to what? 9 minus 2, 7. Okay. Now the x plus z, where the equations are there? Yes, here the second equation. Again I am taking 50 equation. Second and 5. Second equation is x plus z is equal to what? 5 they given. Now I am eliminations. Z should be cancelled. So 2x minus x, x. 7 minus 5, 2. So we got x is equal to 2. Now you should apply in the any one equation. Here x is equal to from 2 you get x is equal to, put x is equal to 2. Then x plus z is equal to 5 they given. 2 if you put x for 2, z value is, yes, 5 minus 2 what? Z value is 5 minus 2, 3. Okay girls? Have you all understand the step? First we have to eliminate the 3 equations, the 3 variables given. So that I am eliminating one by one. At last I get x is equal to 2. Then afterwards I put x is equal to 2 in equation number 2. So I got z is equal to 3. Now we need y value. So put z is equal to 3. Put z is equal to 3 in equation number 3. Equation number 3, what is the equation? Y plus z is equal to 7. Okay, now instead of Z I will put 3. So the y is equal to 7 minus 3, you get 4. Okay. The solution is x is equal to 2, y is equal to 4, z is equal to 3. Okay, this is the answer for 7th one. Okay girls, the 3.17 is over. I think so the 7 sums are I did. So you have to work out in the classwork. See girls, I will say the another one method. If you need that method, it's okay means you have to use any one method. Now I am taking first and second from 1 and 2. Okay, from 1 and 2. What is the 1 and 2? X plus y plus z equal to 9 is the first equation. The second equation is x plus z is equal to 5. Okay, this is first one, this is second one. So it is not in the y, so I put 0. Now I am going to eliminate. Directly I am eliminating x and z. So you will get y minus 0, y. So here also 9 minus 5, you get 4. Okay girls? It's easy method, so that I am using this method. So now y is equal to 4. Again, put y is equal to 4 in equation number. Equation number, what is the equation number? Here 3. What is here the equation is y plus z is equal to 7. Now instead of y I put 4. 4 plus z is equal to 7. Now z is equal to 7 minus 4. So 3 answer. Okay. Is it easy now girls? Now y found, then z also found, and then we need what x. Okay. Now put z is equal to 3. In equation number 2 you will get x. Okay. So x plus z is equal to 5. So instead of z, x plus 3 is equal to 5. X is equal to 5 minus 3. X is equal to 2. So at last the solution is x is equal to 2. Y is equal to 4. Z is equal to 3. Okay, have you all clear girls? Girls, today we are going to see matrix operations. We know that operations, what are the 4 fundamental operations? Addition and subtraction, multiplication and what? Division. These are the operations we are going to use in the matrices. First we have to see the matrices, addition and subtraction. We need 2 rules. One is the matrix should be same. Equal matrix only we have to add or subtract. Equal matrix, have you all know the equal matrix? What is the equal matrix? Rows and columns should be equal. Then only we have to add or subtraction. Okay, or otherwise order is same. Then only we have to add and subtractions. Okay girls. Here we have to see one examples. Here 2, 4, 0, minus 5, one matrix. Then another one matrix I am going to add girls, minus 3, 0 or 2. See, this is called A matrix, this is called B matrix. Here see the order of the matrix is 2 rows, 2 columns. 2 rows, 2 columns. Here also 2 rows, 2 columns. Okay girls, now we want to add. How do you add girls? Because here the first element, the first matrix first element and the second matrix first element. So the first element in the first position. 2 plus 4. Here the operation is plus. Okay. Then next what? The second element in the first row. Here also the second matrix. What is the first second element? 4. Here also the second element is minus 3. But the symbol is addition, but the sign is minus, so that I put minus. Okay girls. Here the second row first element 0. Here 0 plus 0. Okay. Then the next element is minus 5 plus 2. This is the way to you have to add the matrix. Okay. The same like we have to simplify first. 2 plus 4, 6. 4 minus 3, 1. Then 0 plus 0, 0. Minus 5 plus 2. So minus 3. This is the answer for the addition. The same like we have to do it in the subtraction also. In the subtraction, we have to change the negative matrix because 2 minus 4. Then 4 minus of minus 3 should be converted. Okay. Let us see the one by one. Okay girls. In the matrix, we want to know the properties of matrix additions girls. See the properties of additions. These already you studied. Suppose 2 plus 3 or 3 plus 2. This is called a commutative property. Okay girls, commutative property. 2 matrix. If you want to add 2 matrix means A plus B. If you add the same, you have to interchange add means you will get the same answer. This is called the commutative property. Then associative property, we know the brackets alone we have to change. If you add the first brackets, then add with the another one matrix, you will get one answer. The same answer should be in the, if you interchange the brackets, you will get the same answer. That is called the associative property. So LHS and the RHS should be same in the associative properties. Okay girls. Then the next property is, if you multiply with PQA is equal, A is one matrix. If you multiply with one scalar, scalar means the constant P and Q. Okay girls. If you multiply with the first Q, then afterwards if you multiply with the Q, P means the answer should not be changed. This is called associative in the scalar matrix. Then I already we studied yesterday. I means unit matrix. If you multiply by any unit matrix, you will get the same matrix. Okay, this is the property. And again, distributive property. If you multiply with any one scalar, scalar means any one number. Okay, girls are constant. The multiplied, the LHS is P into A plus P. If you add the two matrices, you multiply by the scalar. The RHS is, if you multiply with each matrix, afterwards if you add, you will get the same answer. This is called this distributive of scalar matrix. Okay girls. Then the last property is P plus Q. The two scalars multiplied by one matrix. If you got then P into A. Aதாவது P is the scalar and you multiply with the A matrix, then Q is the scalar multiplied with the A matrix. If you add it together, you will get the answer from the LHS. The both answers will be same girls. So this is called the distributive matrix of two scalar matrix. Okay girls, these are the properties in the book page number 147 you have to go through. Okay girls, let us see the exercise. See, you in the earlier classes or lower classes you studied additive identity. What is the meaning of additive identity? This is also one property, special property girls. Additive identity. If you add with 0, you will get the same matrix. Or add with 0 plus same matrix, you will get the, add with the matrix, one matrix, you will get the same matrix. This is called additive matrix. The matrix should not be changed. You have to add with the 0 matrix or null matrix. This is called additive identity. Then additive inverse. Already yesterday studied the negative matrix. If you add with one matrix, then the negative matrix if you add, you will get the null matrix. Add one matrix with the negative matrix, you will get the null matrix. That is called additive inverse. This is called additive inverse. Add the given matrix with the inverse of matrix. If you add, you will get 0. That is called the additive inverse girls. Okay, these two is special properties. See girls, in this exercise 3.18, last video we saw 3.17. The first sum A matrix given 1, 9, first row, second row 3, 4, third row 8 minus 3. How many rows girls? 1, 2, 3. 3 rows, 2 columns. Whatever the matrix they given, first you have to write the orders. Okay girls. Here the next matrix is 5, 7, 3, 3, 1, 0. Okay girls. Here also how many rows? 3 rows, 2 columns. Okay. Now they verify the two questions they asked. A plus B is equal to P plus A. First we have to verify in the first one. First we want to find out, this law is called commutative law. First we want to find out LHS. LHS, what is the LHS? A plus B. First we want to write the A matrix. What is the A matrix? 1, 9, 3, 4, then 8 minus 3. This is the first matrix A. Then write the second matrix 5, 7, 3, 3, 1, 0. Now you have to add the elements. What is the elements for the first matrix? 1. Here the first element is 5. So 1 plus 5. Okay. The first two sums you have to do it in the elaborate. Afterwards you have to do it in the mind itself. Okay. Then the second element is 9 plus 7. Here second row first element 3 plus 3. Second row second element here also. Up 4 plus 3. Here 8. Here 1. Okay. Here minus 3 plus 0. Now you have to simplify girls. 1 plus 5, 6. 9 plus 7, what? 16. Okay. Then 3 plus 3, 6. Here 7, here 9, here minus 3. Okay. Here also the order is 3 cross 2. You know, because 3 rows, 2 columns. So if the rows and the columns should be equal, the other equal matrix only we have to add. The same like we want to find out the RHS. The answer should be same. Whether we have to check. B plus A. Okay, first we want to write the B matrix. What is the B matrix elements? 5, 7, 3, 3, 1, 0. This is called a B matrix. Then add with the A matrix. What is the A elements? 1A, 3, 4, then 8 minus 3. Okay girls, now you have to add it together first element in the B set. B matrix 5 plus 1. Then next here 7 plus 9. See girls, we have to write like this girls. So don't write a paragraph like this. Okay. Then here the second element 3 plus 3. Here also 3 plus 4. Then the first element is 1. Here the first element is 8. 0 minus 3. Now you add it together 6, 16. Then what is 6, 7, 9 minus 3. Whether we have to check the LHS and the RHS should be equal. Yes. Is it equal? So that here we want to write the conclusion LHS equal to RHS, hence verified. Okay girls? The always additions, the commutative law is equal. LHS and the RHS. See the second one, A plus minus A. This is called a negative matrix girls. Here minus A plus A. The both should be interchanged. The answer is null matrix. We have to check girls. First LHS. What is the LHS? A plus minus A. Minus A is called a negative matrix. First we want to write the A matrix. What they given? 1, 9, 3, 4, then 8 minus 3. This is called A matrix. Then minus A means negative of A. Negative means the symbol should be changed. Here all the all the elements should be positive. Only the minus 3 is negative. Okay girls. But the 1 should be changed in minus 1. The plus 9 changed in minus 9. Here also minus 3, minus 4, minus A plus 3. Have you all understand this steps girls? Here I am writing A matrix. The next one, if you add with the negative matrix, you will get what? 0. See whether is it 0 or not. We have to check girls. 1 and minus 1. The first element you have to add with the first element. Then the second element 9 minus 9. Then here 3 minus 3. Then 4 minus 4. 8 minus 8. Here minus 3 plus 3. Now you have to add or simplify, you will get what? Yes, 0, everything 0. So this is called a 0 matrix. In the LHS over, the same like we want to find out RHS minus A and plus A. First we want to write the negative matrix of A. Negative matrix of A what? Minus 1, minus 9. Because already I said in the matrix A you have to change the symbol alone. Positive and negative. Negative means positive. Okay girls, write this. You have to write it in the negative matrix. Then add with the original matrix. What is the A matrix given? 1, 9, 3, 4, then 8 minus 3. Now you have to add it together. Minus 1 and the minus plus 1, 0. Minus 9 and the plus 9, 0. I am directly writing girls. One step should be I skipped here. So 0, 0, 0, 0. So you got the answer is 0 girls. So this is also verified. If you add with the negative matrix, if you add any matrix with a negative matrix, you will get the null matrix. Yes, this is one property. See girls, second sum, the given matrix, A matrix given, B matrix given, C matrix. First we want to see the matrix, order of the matrix, 3 rows, 3 columns. All the matrix should be 3 rows, 3 columns. Then verify that A plus B plus C, then the RHS A plus B plus C. See girls, this is associative property, already we studied the. Here first the LHS we want to check, A plus B plus C. First we need take the bracket along, B plus C. First write the B side. What are the B matrix? 2, 3, 4. Then second row 1, 9, 2. Minus 7, 1, minus 1. This is B matrix. Then add with the C matrix. What is the C matrix given? 8, 3, 4 in the first row. 1, minus 2, 3 in the second row. 2, 4, minus 1 in the third row. Now you have to add with the B and C. The first element in the B matrix and the first element in the C matrix. Already we studied in the first sum. So 2 plus 8. This is called the first element. Then second element into the second element. So 3 plus 3. Okay. Next third element 4 plus 4. Like this you have to, second row you have to do it. 1 plus 1, then 9 minus 2, then 2 plus 3. Okay, then next one is minus 7 plus 2, third row, 1 plus 4, then minus 1, minus 1. Now you have to simplify B plus C. How do you simplify, girls? If you add means you have to add, otherwise subtract the symbol. See the symbols and you have to simplify. 2 plus 8, so 10, first row element, then 3 plus 3, then 4 plus 4, so first row completed, the second row, 1 plus 1, then 9 minus 2, yes 7, then 2 plus 3, okay 5, then minus 7 plus 2, minus 5, then 1 plus 4, 5, the both should be negative, so you have to add and put symbol, the same symbol, okay. This is called B plus C. Then another one, you have to add with the A matrix, you will get the answer of LHS, okay. Now A plus B plus C. First you have to write the A matrix. What is the A matrix? 4, 3, 1, 2, 3 minus A, then 1, 0 minus 4. These are the elements in the A matrix. Then P plus C already we found. What are the elements? Here 10, 6, 8 in the first row, then 2, 7, 5 in the second row, minus 5 plus 5 minus 2, minus 5 plus 5 minus 2. Now you have to add it together, A plus B plus C. Okay, in the LHS, 4 plus 10. Then the second element, 3 plus 6. Then the third element, 1 plus 8. Then the second row, 2 plus 2. The first element, second row, then the second element, 3 plus 7. Then minus 8 plus 5. Okay, the same like you have to do the third row. 0 plus 5 minus 4 minus 2. Okay girls, now you have to simplify. You will get the left hand side answer. So 14, 9, here also 9, 2 plus 2, 4, here 10, here minus 8 plus 5. So minus 3. Okay, here 1 minus 5, minus 4, 0 plus 5, then minus 4, minus 2. So minus 6. This is the answer of LHS. The same like you want to find out the RHS. See the RHS. The RHS is A plus B, then C. Girls, you have to verify. First you have to find out the A matrix and the B matrix, add it together. Then the answer should be added with the C matrix. Then the answer, LHS answer and the RHS answer should be same. Okay, you should verify in the classwork. Okay girls. See the third sum, girls. Find the x and y. If x plus y given, then x minus y given. Okay. Now you want to find out the x and y. How do you find out, girls? Already elimination and the substitution method you studied in the earlier classes. Now let us see the sum. So consider as the first equation x plus y. Second equation is x minus y in the matrix. You have to eliminate or cancellation method, the 1 minus 2. You want to change the sign. No, not change the sign because plus y and the minus y given. So directly you have to cancel. So first equation and the second equation if you add, you will eliminate the x, y. Okay girls. Now x plus x. What is the answer? 2x in the left hand side. The same like you have to add the matrix. Here the first matrix 7, 0, 3, 5. The second matrix 3, 0, 0, 4. Okay. Now you have to add. Already studied in the add. First elements you have to add. Then second row, first element. The second row, second element. If you add, you will get one answer. What is the answer here? 10, 0, 3, 9. Okay, girls? Have you all clear here? Now you add here. Then we need x. X we need means the 2 should be divided. How do you divide, girls? Here divide into each element. Okay. Each element. How do you divide? 10 divided by 2. 0 divided by 2, 3 divided by 2, 9 divided by 2. Is it carefully, girls? Otherwise you will divide only one element. It's wrong. Okay, you have to divide. It's 1 by 2 is a scalar number. So the 1 by 2 is the division or multiplication of each element. Okay. Now you have to simplify. The answer is 5, 0, 3 by 2, then 9 by 2. This is the answer of x. Okay, girls? The same like you want to find out the y value. How do you find out y value? If you substitute the x value, you will get the y value. And otherwise, you have to again eliminate x. Now I am writing the equation once again. X plus y. What is the value? 0, 7, 3, 5. This is considered as equation number 1. Then the second equation, x minus y, 3, 0, 0, 4. Okay, now I am going to eliminate x. Here the same sign, so I am substituting, substituting not, here I am changing the sign. Here the plus sign should be changed into minus, here the minus should be changed, here plus, here also minus. The minus is inside all the elements, or otherwise this matrix should be a negative matrix. Okay girls, now you have to cancel the x, now the add y, 2y will come. Okay girls, now you have to subtract this matrix. How do you subtract? The minus sign is insert all the elements. Okay, now 7 minus 3. Have you all understand here? The minus is common for all the elements. So 0, 0 is neither or not. So that I put here 3 minus 0. Then here 5 minus 4. Have you all understand this step girls? The minus is you have to insert all the elements, otherwise the negative matrix you have to add. Okay, now 2y is equal to 7 minus 3, 4, 0, okay 0, 3 minus 0, 3 girls, 5 minus 4, 1. Okay, now we need y, so that you have to divide or multiply by 1 by 2 each elements. You will get y. Now you have to simplify each element divided by 2, then 0 by 2, 3 by 2, then 1 by 2. So at last the answer is 2, 0, 3 by 2 and 1 by 2. Then the conclusion is x matrix you have to write separately, then y matrix you have to separately write. That is the answer. What is the value of x matrix? 5, 0, 3 by 2, then 9 by 2. This is the value of x, then the value of y is 2, 0, 3 by 2, then 1 by 2. Okay girls, have you understood? So fourth sum, A matrix given and the B matrix given. The first one is B minus 5A. Question is B minus 5A. So how do you do girls? Here the B matrix you want to write 0, 4, sorry. What is the B matrix? 7, 3, 8, 1, 4, 9. This is B matrix minus 5 times of A matrix. What is the A matrix? 0, 4, 9, 8, 3, 7. See girls, B minus 5A, the question is, we want to simplify. So first we write the B matrix, then minus 5 times of A matrix. The minus 5 is the constant, you should be inside, multiplied all the elements, you will get one answer girls. Now 7, 3, 8 is the B matrix. If you multiply it by minus 5, you will put here plus, because the minus 5 should be inside, so you have to compensate with here plus. Okay, minus 5 into 0, 0. Minus 5 into 20, minus 20. Minus 5 into 4, minus 20. Minus 5 into 9, minus 45. Okay, now minus 5 into 8, minus 40. Minus 5 into 3, minus 50. Minus 5 into 7, minus 35. Have you all understand here girls? If you multiply by the minus 5, so the symbol should be replaced here plus, because plus into minus, the minus inside, so the plus is outside. Okay girls, now you have to add 7 plus 0, the first element, 3 minus 20, the third element is 8 minus 45. Have you all understand the steps? Next, the second row, 1 minus 40, then 4 minus 15, then 9 minus 35. Now you have the simplification. 7 plus 0, yes, 7. Then 3 minus 20, minus 17. 8 minus 45, yes, minus 37. Then next 1 minus 40, minus 39. Next 4 minus 15, minus 11. Then 9 minus 35, what is the answer? 4 minus 26. Okay girls, this is the answer for B minus 5A. The second part is, the question is 3A minus 9B. See girls, this is the sum you have to do it. 3 times of A matrix minus 9 times of B matrix. You have to simplify and say the answers. Okay, check the answers in the book. Okay, see the fifth sum first. Fifth sum, the find the x, y, z question is the given matrices. The first one, x minus 3, then x plus y plus 7, then 3x minus z, here x plus y plus z is equal to what they given 1 0 1 6. The question is, this is called equal matrix because 2 rows 2 columns. 2 rows 2 columns with the equal rows and equal columns. Now equating the corresponding elements. Equating corresponding elements we get. Now you have to equate the first element into the left hand side as well as the right hand side. Now we get x minus 3 is equal to 1. Now we need x, so the minus 3 go to the right hand side. So x is equal to. Now you understand the step? Yes. The next one. Now you have to substitute the second element. What is the second element? 3x minus z is equal to 0. So here, what is the value you found? X is equal to 4. Now you have to substitute. Put x is equal to 4 here. 3 times of 4 minus z is equal to 0. So 12 minus z is equal to 0. Z is equal to 12. Now you all understand the minus 12. The 12 should be go to the right hand side minus 12. So this I skip the steps girls. Here the minus cancel. So the answer is plus 12. Z is equal to plus 12. Now we need the y value. So the next, what is the equation we want to substitute here? The third element. Here third element, here also third element. Now x plus y plus 7 is equal to 1. Now what is the value of x already found? Yes, 4. Now you have to substitute instead of x you have to put 4. Then y plus 7 is equal to 1. Now you have to add 7 plus 4. 11 in the left hand side. Then right hand side 1 is there. So you have to simplify. You will get the answer is y is equal to minus 10. Okay girls? Now x value, y value, z value. The last, the conclusion, we have to write x is equal to 4, y is equal to minus 10, z is equal to 12. The conclusion is x is equal to 4, y is equal to minus 10, z is equal to 12. The same like you have to do the second one. How do you do the second one girls?
1 2 3 go.
See girls, the second one, the given matrices here, x, y minus z second element, x, z plus 3 third element. Here, what is the order of the matrix girls? Is 1 row 3 columns. 1 row 3 columns. The same like here also 1 row 3 columns. First we want to add the left hand side. Afterwards you have to equate with the right hand side. Okay. Now what is the left hand side here? First element and the first element you have to add. So x plus 1. This is called the first element. Then the next one, y minus z plus 4. This is called the second element. Y minus z plus 4 I am adding. Then the third element is z plus 3 again plus 3. Okay, in the left hand side now you will understand the step. You have to add the each elements. Okay, the first element and the first element, second element to the second element, third element to the third element. Now you create the right hand side. Now you have to simplify. X plus y, then y minus z plus 4, here z plus 6 is equal to 4, 8, 16. This is also 1 class 3, this is also 1 class 3. 1 row, 3 columns. Now we have to equating the corresponding elements. Equating the corresponding elements we get one by one. Okay, the last element is z plus 6. I am going to substitute the value for z. Easily you have to find the z value. So 16 minus 6 z is equal to 10. Okay girls? Have you all understand? Then next one, what is the value here? The z value you have to substitute. So I am taking second element. Y minus z plus 4 is equal to 8. Now y minus, you are find the value of z. What is the value of z? Yes, z is equal to 10. From 1 and 4. Z equal to 10 you have to substitute. Plus 4 is equal to 8. Now you have to simplify. Y minus 6 is equal to 8. So y is equal to 14. The minus 6 go to the right hand side. Okay. So plus 6. So y is equal to 14. Now you have to equate the first element. What is the first element? X plus y in the left hand side, the right hand side is 4. Okay. Now you have to substitute. What is the put? Ay is equal to 14. Now what you count? So x plus 14 is equal to 4. Now x we need means 4 minus 14. So x is equal to minus 10. These are the values of the these substances. X is equal to minus 10. Y is equal to 14. Z is equal to 10. Okay girls. Last you have to write the answer solutions for these ones. See girls, sixth sum 3.18. X 4 by 4 minus 3, then y minus 2 3. Here 4 6. Here see girls, this x want to multiply here, the y want to multiply here. 4x, then minus 3y. This is one matrix. 3x. Okay. Here y you should be multiplied minus 2y plus 3y. Okay girls, here 4 and 6. In the left hand side you have to add it together. Then afterwards equating the right hand side. Okay. 4x minus 2y. Then minus 3x plus 3y. Here see girls, the plus symbol is there. So we have to write the addition of the left hand side. Then equating the right hand side. Equating the right hand side. Equating the corresponding elements are. Okay girls, we get 4x minus 2y is equal to 4 minus 3x plus 3y is equal to 6. So consider as equation number 1, equation number 2. Now if you eliminate, then you will get the x and y values. Okay. Now how do you eliminate? If you want to eliminate, the symbol should be opposite sign and the coefficient should be same. Here see girls, here x and y, 2 here 3. So we have to convert this, 2 is converting 2 is 6, then 3 is converting as a 6. Okay girls, the first one multiplied by 3, then only you will get a 6y. 4 into 3 how much? 12x minus 6y is equal to 12. The left hand side as well as the right hand side I multiplied by 3 in the first equation because I need 6y. Then only we will cancellation. Here the second equation multiplied by 2, then only you will get 6y. Okay girls, so multiplied by 2. So what is that here? Minus 6x plus 6y is equal to 12. See girls, now the second y want to eliminate girls, so the minus 6y plus 6y, so you have to cancel. Here 12x minus 6x, you will get 6x is equal to 24. If you add, you will get 6x is equal to 24. Now what is the x value? 6x is equal to 24, x is equal to 24 divided by 6, so x is equal to 4. Okay girls, now put x is equal to 4 in any one equation. 4 in equation number 1. Equation number 1 what? Yes, 4x minus 2y is equal to 4. Instead of x you will put 4. 4 into 4 minus 2y is equal to 4. Now we are going to find the value of y. So say 4 into 4 16 minus 2y is equal to 4. So minus 2y is equal to 4. The 16 go to the right hand side. So minus 2y is equal to minus 12. So y is equal to minus 12 divided by minus 2. So you will get 6. These are the solutions. X is equal to 4, y is equal to 6. You have to write the conclusion. Okay girls, this is the solution for 6th sum. You will understand. See the 7th sum. The same like the left hand side you have to add it together. Afterwards you have to equating the corresponding elements to the right hand side. Then only you will get the value of x here. Okay. Then 2x squared. X should be multiplied inside 2x. Here 3x. Here x squared. Okay. Then next you should multiply by 2. The scalar already you studied in the properties. The 2 should be inside. All the elements should be multiplied. 2 into 8. 2 into 5x. Then 2 into 4. Then 2 into 4x. Okay girls. Then here also if you multiply by 2. 2 into x squared plus 8. The 2 is common for 2 terms here. 2 into 24. Okay. Now 2 into 10. 2 into 6x. 12x. Now the left hand side you have to add girls, because the matrix is equal matrix. So 2x squared plus 16 is the first element. Then next element is 2x plus 10x. Okay, the second element. Adding already I said. Then 3x plus 8. Then the next one is x squared plus 8x. Okay, now the right hand side. What is the right hand side? 2x squared plus 16. The 2 is insert. Each term should be multiplied by 2. Here 48. Here what? 20. Here 12x. Now we need x, so that equating the corresponding elements we get the value of x. Here the third term and the third term I will take. 3x plus 8 is equal to 20. We get equating the corresponding elements, we get 3x, 20 here, 20 minus 8. What is the answer? Yes, 12. The value of x is equal to here 4. So if you equate any one here also, then the second element and the second element. If you equate second element, what is the second element? 12x is equal to 48. So what is the value of 48 by 12? Yes, you will get 4, the same value. If any one elements you equate, you will get the value of x is equal to 4. Okay, any one you have to do it. This is the answer for 7th sum. The 8th sum, solve x squared y squared plus 2 into minus 2x minus y is equal to 5 and 8. Okay girls. Now the first matrix x squared y squared. Then 2 should be inside. So minus 4x minus 2y in the second matrix is equal to 5 and 8. Okay girls. All the orders are 2 cross 1, 2 cross 1, 2 cross 1. In the left hand side you have to add. How do you add? Yes, x squared minus 4x one element. Then y squared minus 2y is the one element. In the right hand side 5, 8. Now equating the corresponding elements. Because equating the corresponding elements we get one quadratic equation. What is the quadratic equation? My x squared minus 4x is equal to 5. So you have to convert as x squared minus 4x plus 5 is equal to 0. This is considered as a quadratic equation, girls. See the second one. Y. See girls, x squared minus 4x, the 5 come to the right hand side to left hand side minus 5. Okay, sorry girls. Then equating the second element, y squared minus 2y is equal to 8. So you will get y squared minus 2y minus 8 is equal to 0. So that is not answer. You want to find out the factorization of x and y. Can you see? First x squared minus 4x minus 5. You already studied in the factorization. If you multiplied minus 5, if you add minus 4, you want to get. So what are the factors girls? Yes, 5 1 is 5. But here minus 4, so biggest number is minus, so you have to put x squared, x divided by x squared, so x cancel. So the factors are x minus 5 one factor and the x plus 1 is another one factor. Now either or put 1 0, x minus 5 0 means x is equal to 5 one factor. Okay, then x plus 1 is equal to 0 means what is the value of x? X is equal to minus 1, 0 polynomial. So the value of two values for x is equal to 5 and the x is equal to minus 1. The same like we want to find out y. Okay girls, here y squared minus 2y minus 8 is equal to 0. If you multiply you will get minus 8, then add you will get minus 2. What are the two numbers? Yes, correct. 4 2s are 8, 4 minus 2, 2. But here minus 2 want to come. So biggest number should be minus, the smallest should be plus. Now the variable is y, so you have to divide with y squared, which is, now what is the factors? Y minus 4 and y plus 2 is equal to 0. Now either are 1 0 means 4 minus 0 is equal to 0, so and y is equal to 4. The next one, y plus 2 is equal to 0, so y is equal to minus 2. So the last the solution is x is equal to 5 and minus 1, y is equal to 4 and minus 2. Have you all understand? I think so. This is very important. Okay, 2 mark questions. In this exercise, equal matters from most of them I taught. So you have to equating the corresponding elements, we get whatever they asked, x and y. Okay, girls. Okay, see the next video.